You need to hide. You need to hide because when she come out, you need to hide because when she we need to see her face.
There's a mommy love sleep.
Hello, Miss Ruth. Miss Ruth. Miss Ruth.
Auntie Ruth. Auntie Ruth.
Hello.
Auntie Ruth. Auntie Ruth. Auntie Ruth. Who's that? Sherrod. Huh?
Sherrod.
Who's that? Sherrod. Yeah, Auntie Ruth. You make me get nervous. With what?
Me hearing nervousness in your voice.
I wanna me. Hey, carry on.
Hi.
We hearing nervousness in your voice. Nothing oh my God. Connect we, quick.
No, sir. No, sir.
Guys, I made it. I am home. And look who is here. When we come in our video light, my mother we're social distancing, so
hi everybody.
And she's going to cook for us this morning. She's going to cook ackee and saltfish and yam and dumpling. So catch you later. It's so nice. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. This is nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
So lovely. Oh wait, let me take one. Yes, guys. So, if you haven't seen the video of my efforts to get to Jamaica, I'll link it here. But go check that out. And also, I want to show you some clips of me traveling yesterday. I went through the Netherlands, St. Martin's, and then to Jamaica. And I'll show you a little bit of what I saw and how it was. You know, like I felt very safe. I didn't feel like I was exposed or any way. You know, there were measures put in place. And yeah, so check out these clips. Good morning. It's not moving, Hano. So we're at the airport again and we're taking two. We're gonna try to see if this works today. I'm going to Amsterdam. Is it moving? It's moving. It doesn't feel like it's moving. I'm going to Amsterdam. Not Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Amsterdam.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm going to Amsterdam, from Amsterdam to St. Martin, from St. Martin to Jamaica. Fingers crossed. We'll see if we get through. If I get through. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So guys, if you haven't seen the previous video, please go take a look. And you will see why I'm at the airport the second time at the same airport a day after. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like, comment, and let's talk. Not even comment. Comment is just commenting. I want to talk to you guys. The airport is very quiet and very empty right now because it's early. It's like 5 o'clock. So there is not much going on. There's really not much going on. It's very empty. And I feel free to film. I'm using my phone. And yeah, as I don't know if I said this before, but the airport it looks like business as usual. People are wearing masks. Some people are not wearing masks. There's this dotted all over the place. So yeah, I feel quite confident in this airport. So bye. So guys, I got checked in to the flight from Switzerland to Amsterdam, and it's a connecting flight, so I'm assuming that there will be no problem in Amsterdam because my bag is checked all the way through. I think that the St. Martin will not be a problem. Let's see what happens when we get to St. Martin. See you later. We'll keep you posted. Alright guys, here's a rundown of day number 2. So I got checked in to the flight. So the route now is from Zurich to Amsterdam, from Amsterdam to St. Martin's, from St. Martin's to Jamaica. So I was worried that, of course I read carefully this time, all the requirements and everything, and it looks like I should be okay, but you know how things change fast now. So but I was checked into the flight from Zurich to Amsterdam, and it's also, my bag was checked from Zurich to St. Martin, so it looks like in Amsterdam things are going to be okay. But let's still keep fingers crossed, and I'll check up with you when I get there. Alright, as it pertains to COVID-19 protocols, I think Zurich has it well sorted out. Inside, it's very clean. Everything is organized. There are signs put up all over the place. There are sanitizers all over the place. There are people wearing their masks. But I must say, this is very early in the morning. It's like now it's like 5:30 or 5:45. So there aren't many people in the airport. So you can, if you want to, take off your mask, because they recommend to keep a distance of 1.5 meters, and if you're keeping your distance, then you don't have to wear a mask. So you can actually take off your mask. So I took it off the top, but usually I am wearing it, you know, just for precautionary reasons. Also, I have to tell you guys this. If you don't have to buy water or anything at all in Zurich Airport, and if you're broke or you're a budget traveler, don't. I bought this water just now. I'm not advertising for them. I bought this bottle of water just now, and I paid 6.85 francs. Just call it 7 francs for a bottle of water. When the guy said that, I almost fainted, but because I shamefaced, me just pay for. I'm thirsty. If you can see, my mouth is dry. I couldn't believe it. So much money. I could take one picture, I receipt and show them. No, sir. This is not normal. But anyways, we thank God for water. So we'll keep. Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm not sure. So we've boarded the flight, and the mask is mandatory. We have to wear this. The plane isn't full, but it's not empty, if you get what I mean. I feel like the lady next to me, she's for sure not 1.5 meters away, you know. So that's kind of a little bit uncomfortable, but for the most part, yeah, I'm alone in my seat. There's nobody next to me, but there are people in front of me and beside me. Yeah. So guys, I'm now in Amsterdam. I really wanted to show you more, but it was so busy, and Amsterdam is not quiet. It's busy. Everything looks like normal business. I kind of only remember that we're going through a pandemic when the person talks on the intercom. Is it intercom or intercom? I don't remember, whatever it's called. When the person says, like, remember to wear your mask, remember to stay 1.5 meters apart. It's the same in Amsterdam or Zurich. And also, you know, on the floor they have like, please keep your distance, you're on the right path, or you know, they tell you where to stand. So there are instructions. And also, what is also noticeable here is the shields. So when you go to a counter, you're shielded by the plastic or you know, something to separate you and the agent. Apart from that, and that's a big difference. apart from that, everything is normal. It's not as busy as before, obviously. I've been to this airport before and it was crazy, and it's not as busy. People are traveling though. On the airplane, like what I noticed was also different. You know, when they're giving you the flight instructions and they tell you like to put the mask in case you need oxygen. Now they've inserted like remove your personal mask and place this oxygen mask over your face if needed. So they have incorporated that instruction in the instructions of flying. As it pertains to seating, we weren't really far from each other, but I was the only one in the row that I was sitting, which I was happy about. But then there was a lady right next to me. But yeah, so far so good. I've been washing my hands a lot and sanitizing. Oh, there's one more thing I noticed that was in Zurich that's not really here. You know, in Zurich, let's say every few meters you walk, there's a hand sanitizer to sanitize. There's a pump, you can go sanitize your hand. Here I don't see that here so much. I've seen one in the hallways, and all the others are in the shop. So if you're going in a shop, there is a hand sanitizer, but on the corridor, if you're not shopping, I don't see many. There are not many around. When I came off the plane, I wanted to sanitize my hand, and I didn't see any until I went into a shop. And then I noticed that they're at the doors of the shops, but I don't see them in the corridors. Yeah, and that's so far from my observation. That's what I've seen. People are wearing their masks, but some people are not. Yeah, and that's it. So I'll update you when I'm on the flight. Guys, I'm in the Caribbean. I make it. Oh my god, that was some crazy ups and downs. I made it through immigration in St. Martin without even going to immigration. These people are amazing. These people are freaking amazing. I just told someone my flight. They took my passport because I had like a 1.5 hour in between. He took my passport, got it organized. Oh my god, I have to. Oh, when I get to Jamaica, I will do a proper video of this. So amazing. I'm so impressed. And now I'm at the gate and we're boarding the Caribbean Airlines flight to Jamaica. Bless the Lord. Thank you. Thank you guys for traveling with me. I'm so tired. Now it's like I think after 9 or to 10 in back home in Switzerland, and I'm tired. I'm sleepy. All right, I'll keep you posted, guys. Catch you later.